Thank you for taking the time to listen to my video. I am creating this video to discuss the two flyers that I have created for the US and India. Each flyer contains different aspects of colors, lines, balance, and contrast. To determine the best color options for the flyers, I referred to Eurox's color chart that describes the meanings of colors for both the United States and India. I chose the colors of orange and a deep green for the United States flyer because orange symbolizes the fall season, which reminds most of comfort and warmth. The deep green resembles the outdoors, the environment, and newness. The idea of newness and growth is exactly what the flyer needs to send the message that is being displayed. For the India flyer, I chose orange and yellow. Orange is a sacred color in India, and yellow is a popular color that represents chastity and sensuality. The colors are both vibrant and can be related to by both of the countries. I decided to use straight lines in my flyer to portray the idea of organization and reliability. I also want the flyer to look serious since the topic and message that we are trying to send is a serious matter in our world. I was able to use the graphs in Module 1 called Using Lines to Communicate to determine which message I wanted to convey with the lines that I used in the flyer. The lines also helped create balance on the flyer. Creating balance helps the viewers see the focal point more clearly. The eye is drawn to the center image because all of the other elements are balanced. Canva states in an article about designing flyers that aside from limiting your content to only the most important information, one of the biggest factors is achieving a balanced layout and making good use of white space or blank areas without any words or graphics. Each flyer has different elements that will make it more appealing to the viewers from each country. For example, the colors and photos adjusted to fit the audience appropriately so that they are able to relate to the visual elements on the flyer. Landra states on page 182 that if a poster is not well designed or is dull, surely it will be ignored when surrounded by other visual communication or an interesting environment. When words and images are effectively combined, a poster has the potential to communicate and become more than ephemeral visual communication. By effectively using colors, lines, balance, and contrast, my flyer will successfully send the message of eliminating racial prejudice.